Hello and welcome to... Hello! Sorry to interrupt. If you're new to Peel Paragraphs, make sure you've looked at this tutorial before watching today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn to join together a series of Peel paragraphs so that they seamlessly flow together. Let's get started. A Peel paragraph is a terrific way of organising and structuring your writing. It helps you to present your thoughts in a clear and persuasive manner. When we write a Peel paragraph, we begin with the point we are trying to make. Going scuba diving in the Philippines is something I would encourage all young explorers to experience. We then provide evidence to support this. Let's share some facts and data. The biodiversity within the Philippine Coral Triangle is astonishing, with over 600 species of coral and more than 2,000 species of fish documented. Explain how this evidence links to the point. Scuba diving is therefore not just fun to do, it's a pathway to learning about coral reefs and all the amazing animals that live there. And finally, the link. Conclude by tying the paragraph together. So dive in and embark on a journey of excitement and education. This short, simple paragraph highlights an important reason why the reader should consider giving scuba diving a go. However, there are more points I'd like to make. Let's add another Peel paragraph. Scuba diving isn't just about exploring the ocean. It's also a fantastic way to make new friends. Every time you dive, you have a special buddy underwater, and you both work together to stay safe and point out the interesting things you see. You learn to communicate with each other underwater and rely on each other. So when you dive, not only do you get to see amazing underwater sights, but you also get to share the excitement with a new friend. How cool is that? Let's add one more paragraph. Scuba diving isn't just a super cool adventure. It also helps to keep you fit. It's surprising just how much distance you cover underwater. I went diving for almost an hour recently, and it was so much fun that I didn't notice how tired I was afterwards. Exploring the coral homes of fish and other sea creatures is like a big underwater workout that makes you strong and healthy. So when you're diving, you're not only having a blast, but also staying fit and active. I have now written 3 paragraphs, each explaining a different reason for giving scuba diving a try. Each one uses the Peel paragraph format well. But when I put them together, they don't seem to flow as well as they might. What can I do about this? Well, first, let's think about the order of the paragraphs. The order does matter. For example, if we begin with the educational benefit of diving, it suggests that learning about marine life is the key reason for going scuba diving. If instead we start with the physical fitness aspect, it would emphasize the health benefits as being the most important thing. I'm happy with my starting paragraph, but I think ending with the social benefits of diving would be a nice way to finish. So let's put this paragraph last. That's better. The cohesion between the paragraphs can also be improved by using sentence connectors like furthermore, moreover, in addition, what's more. These words and phrases are called joining words, discourse markers, or transitional phrases. They act a bit like bridges linking one paragraph to the next, which helps your reader to follow the writing. Let's change that second paragraph. Beginning it with "furthermore" connects it to the first paragraph, making the whole thing flow better. A final tip is to use the link part of the Peel paragraph in a slightly different way. Instead of using the link to conclude that paragraph, let's link it to the next one. The benefits of scuba diving do not stop here. Makes the reader know that there is more to come. I'll need to just tweak that last paragraph a little, but it's worth the effort because again, the flow of it all has been improved. These 3 changes that I've made have made a big difference. The 3 paragraphs now feel much more connected. So, when presenting multiple Peel paragraphs, improve the flow between them by thinking about the order of the paragraphs. Which one should you start with? Which one should you end with? Use sentence connectors to begin your new paragraphs. Words like furthermore, moreover, what's more, and in addition can be used. Finally, when you write the link part of the Peel paragraph, link what you've just written with what you are about to write.